Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, in the battle of Hunain, I was along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. I and Hazrat Abu Sufyan bin Haris bin Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu anhu stuck by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam and did not part from him at all. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam was riding that white mule which Farwa bin Nufatha Jazami gifted to him. When the Muslims had an encounter with the infidels, the Muslims fell back, but Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam spurred his mule towards the infidels. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, holding the bridle of the mule of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, I was stopping it to run fast, whereas Hazrat Abu Sufyan was holding the strap of the mule of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam whereupon said, O Abbas, call out to the people of Samura. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu was a man with stentorian voice. He says that he called aloud, where are the people of Samura? Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, hearing this call, they returned as a cow returns to its babies. They ran back uttering, Ya Labbaik, and started fighting with the infidels. They then summoned the helpers, saying, O the group of helpers, O the group of helpers. Then Banu Harith bin Khazraj were called out, saying, O Banu Harith bin Khazraj, O Banu Harith bin Khazraj. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam then stretched his neck and looked at them while he sallallahu alayhi wasallam was riding the mule. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam was watching the scene of the fight. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, now the tandoor fight is hot. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then picked up some gravels and threw them at the faces of the infidels, saying, by the Lord of Muhammad, they have been defeated. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, I was watching that the war continued with the same severity as I had seen it before. All at once, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam pelted the pebbles. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I observed that their force got slacked and they started fleeing, turning their backs. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4588.